In this video, I'm going to very quickly show you how to make a tack weld repair using a welder. To get set up, first you open the oxygen tank. Then you're going to want to plug it in. Then last, before you start welding, you're going to want to get your cable attached to the surface you're welding it to. For this application, you're going to want to use a fire blanket because it is close to the gas tank. Now that everything is set up, you're going to want to turn it on, put on gloves and your helmet. Now that that's all done, there's the weld, and I'll catch you all in the next video.